Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the bubble in two other ways other than being Glinda and Dress to Impress. So the first one I'm showing you guys is just me trying to create a snow globe using that bubble. So the bubble is like the glass of the snow globe. And here's just me turning myself into a snowman. You do need the Desperado pose from the Valentine's Day one, and I am using a lot of adjustments for this. And I know people sometimes don't like it when it's like, it's not built to impress, it's dressed to impress or whatever. But I think it's a really unique use of the bubble. And I'm just going to speed this up because I did a lot of adjustments here. And I will show you the final results. This is what the snow globe looks like. Super cute. You can kind of style it to however you want, basically like what you want to put in the snow globe. But this is just my take. And the second idea, you can use the bubble for creating this character, which is Violet from The Incredibles. Here's just my take on her. Obviously, you can kind of tune it and design it to however you like. But this is just how I made her outfit, and it's perfect for using the bubble. Again, I'm just going to speed this up really quickly because I did use some adjustments, but it was a little bit difficult for me to really recreate the outfit and make it super similar. So yeah, here I'm just going to speed it up. And here is the final result of Violet. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.